Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing on how you can find volatility 75 index on MT5 using Exness. Let's get started. So essentially, the latest version of MT4 is the MT5 platform, and traders can add volatility indices to the MT5 platform. In order to do this, traders will need an MT5 account after registering with binary.com or Deriv, which will enable the trader to trade volatility indices. Once you've done that, to simply add volatility indices, go to add to the MT5 platform's application, search for the indices, add each of them to the symbol list, and there you go, start trading. It is as simple as that. Of course, again, you will need to go ahead and grab the latest version of the MT4, which is the MT5 platform, in order to do volatility index trading. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.